Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make ナスと豚肉のお味噌汁。It's pork and eggplant miso soup. We normally don't put any meat in miso soup, but there is no rule that you can't. By adding a little bit of meat, you can make the soup so rich and hearty. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this ナスと豚肉のお味噌汁. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some eggplant. I'm using 2 because I like to load my miso soup with vegetables. 100 grams of thinly sliced pork. Any part you like, but thinly sliced. 2 teaspoons of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock. 4 tablespoons of miso paste. Any miso you like. And some green onion to garnish. As always, I'm doing all the cutting first. So green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half. Put them together. Cut them into half. Put them together. And let's make thin slices. This is the garnish, so let's put it in a small bowl and set aside. Eggplant. Cut the top off. And remove this. Let's just cut it into bite-sized pieces. Release them in cold water, just plain water, to stop browning. Heat up about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the pot. And let's cook the pork first. Then eggplant. Only the eggplant, not with water. Let's add 4 cups of water. and hondashi instant Japanese soup stock. Cover with a lid and cook for about 10 minutes until eggplant is nice and soft. Cooked for 10 minutes and the eggplant is looking good. So it's time to add the miso paste. I'm using this miso strainer to put the miso. If you don't have this kind of miso strainer, you can just use small tea strainer or small spider, whatever you have in your kitchen. Let's put the miso in the strainer, dunk it and dissolve miso. By using this kind of strainer, you don't have to worry about having chunk of miso in your soup bowl. Kill the heat and it's done. Let's serve in the soup bowl. Finish it with some green onion and ナスと豚肉のお味噌汁 is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Let's have some soup first. You can sip it straight from the bowl. So flavorful. And some ingredients. I love simple eggplant miso soup, but little bit of pork makes the whole soup so rich and filling. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. ナスと豚肉のお味噌汁 goes here and plain rice here. Anything you like for the main, but how about 鶏と大根の煮物? Some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for one of the side dishes. And let's pass the other one because I have a lot of vegetable in the other dishes. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!